Thank you so much. 20 minutes. Yeah, good afternoon, guys. So it's nice being with you here again today. I remember in my last iteration of PyCon 2023, we talked about Python um, uh, when it comes to visualization. And when there was also a call this year for us to be able to handle something different, I felt like, why not talk about the new things? I mean, tech is so dynamic in such a kind of a way that you wake up on each and every day and things change. And it's incumbent upon developers, upon techies to also be in constant move with such kind of development. So I'll not talk about so much about me. As you said, I'm a software engineer interning at Huawei, based in Kenya. I'm also a GitHub campus expert. That's a community program that, you know, essentially helps students to be able to I want us to talk about what's new in Python 3.12. So Python 3.12 was introduced last year. That's October last year. That was that iteration of Python. The latest one that we have so far is Python 3.12. You talk about that. So the latest release is Python 3.13 that was released this year in October, just few weeks ago. But now I really wanted us to talk more about Python 3.12 because I realized that the kind of like, especially when it comes to syntax, quite a number of things that are important, especially for developers to be able to understand. And now that we are Pythonists here, you need to understand that there's always a change and the dynamics when it comes to especially how you're formalizing and writing your code so as to not to be able to run into some kind of errors. So yeah, we're just kind of like one release from Python 3.14, so perhaps we'll be able to call it Python. I don't know whether you got that that kind of essence. So within this kind of like new things that we have in Python 3.112, I want to just kind of like discuss a few quite all in a large context. We have a number of issues in a number of updates that, you know, we had in Python 3.12, and with this particular type of updates as a developer is to be able to understand that, you know, when we have a stable release, then it's more or less focused on user experience. How does this particular type of programming language, especially when you are writing a syntax, how do the users or those who are writing it in that particular type of language fail as compared to other languages that are more or less the same? Maybe we'll talk about object-oriented programming languages. So I'm going to talk about improved error messages that we had in one, two. Going to talk about performance improvement. I'm also going to talk about comprehension inlining. We talk about formalization of F strings, and then we're going to talk about as well generic types. I only have but a few minutes to handle this, and hopefully we'll get there. So onto the first one. Let me just allow that to get in. It's just kind of like wait for a few minutes before that happens. Just let it.